Mayday, mayday, mayday. Shamrock 1-2 Golf. Engine failure. Climbing straight ahead. Stand by.
Lot 15 Alpha, flight level 380 to Lomos.
Lot 15 Alpha, Sofia, radar contact.
Thank you.
Roger. Turn right on heading 090.
Right heading 090, lot 15 Alpha.
Affirm, please confirm you want to land at Sofia Airport.
Affirm, we want to land at Sofia and ready for descent at 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, descent flight level 370 initially.
Descent level 270, lot 15 Alpha.
Alpha, descent flight level 360.
Descent 260, confirm?
360 initially.
Descent 360, lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, descent flight level 180. Lot 151, for further instructions, call Sofia on frequency 134.1.
134.1, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sofia, 187.
Lot 15 Alpha, Sofia identified. I have the information from the next sector.
Sorry.
Lot 15 Alpha, if you are unable to find the atrium, fly on heading 190.
We are able, sir, to find entry. We're proceeding to entry now.
Roger.
Thank you.
Lot 15 Alpha, continue with Sofia approach 123.7.
123.7, Sofia approach. Dziękuję. Thank you. Lot 15 Alpha, Pan, we're proceeding direct atrial, and we'd like to request landing runway 27 and request weather, sir.
Hello, Lot 15 Alpha, Sofia approach, identified, descent to altitude 2000 feet, QNH 1020.
1020, descent to altitude 12000, and excuse me, ma'am, Lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, after point at trio, expect next point Rubiv, and final ILS Zulu approach runway 27.
After point Atrial, expect Rubiv, which is Romeo, Uniform, Bravo, India, Victor, confirm?
I do confirm.
Rubiv, and then vectors for runway 27 ILS, thank you very much, ma'am. Lot 15 Alpha, and descending 120.
Lot 15 Alpha, expect 6 miles to touchdown.
66, copy, Lot 15 Alpha.
Are you ready to copy the weather?
Stand by.
Lot 15 Alpha, descend to altitude 8,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 8,000 feet, Lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, just to confirm, are you able to fly the aircraft?
Affirmative, we are able to fly the aircraft. We have the cargo fire, which is suppressed now.
Copy, thank you. And report when you're ready to copy the weather.
Lot 15 Alpha, just please give me the weather and the connection. The wind and the connection, please.
Lot 15 Alpha, transition level 130, QNH 1019, visibility 10 kilometers, temperature 26, dew point 15, latest wind 140 knots, 140 degrees, 5 knots.
Okay, copy, Lot 15, thank you.
Lot 15 Alpha, if you have any other requests or any further assistance if you need on the ground, just advise.
Thank you very much. We will have information on the ground that the cargo doors cannot be open unless the passengers are out, but that's for later. For now, everything is good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lot 15 Alpha.
Pass your message.
Just for information, we have indication that fire is extinguished, so after landing, we'll vacate the runway and we'd like to ask for firefighter assistance. If everything is good as for now, we will ask for spares, we will disembark passengers normally, and very important information, please advise ground personnel not to open the cargo compartment until advised, alright?
Yes, we just did that. I copied your information. Expect stand number 7. They think if everything is okay, They will disembark the passengers on, this is gate number 7.
Alright, so expecting gate number 7, lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, after waypoint Ethereal, expect to descend to 6,000 feet inbound Rubis and clearance for approach.
Copy that, ma'am. Thank you very much. After Ethereal, expecting to Rubis and then clearance for approach ILS 27. Thank you.
Lot 15 Alpha, descend to altitude 6,000 feet, cleared ILS approach runway 27, report established.
Lot 15 Alpha, descend to 6,000 feet altitude, clear for ILS 27, will report, ma'am. Thank you very much. 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, just to make sure, do you need anyone to observe the aircraft before you open any door?
That is affirmative, ma'am. We will request fire brigade assistance to watch the door. That is affirmative, and then evacuation will not be needed.
Copy.
And ma'am, just to confirm, that's rear cargo door.
Copy, Lot 15 Alpha, rear cargo door, copy. Lot 15 Alpha, 12 miles to touchdown, confirm established.
Affirmative, established. Lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, contact tower 118.1, goodbye.
118.1, goodbye. 15 Alpha. Hey, good afternoon, Sofia Tower. Lot 15 Alpha on ILS final, 10 miles.
Good afternoon, Lot 15 Alpha, Sofia Tower, wind 170 degrees, 3 knots, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, thank you, sir. Lot 15 Alpha. Tower, Lot 15 Alpha, again we have a fire indication, so we will request evacuation on the runway.
Lot 15 Alpha, roger.
Tower, Lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, passenger.
Again, decision is changed. We will clear the active, okay? We will not evacuate on the runway. We will not evacuate. The fire is suppressed again.
Roger, Fable vacate to the left via Charlie and continue to the apron.
Charlie and continue to the apron. Thank you, sir. Lot 15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, if Fable continue to the right via Charlie.
Okay, to the right. Lot 15 Alpha to the Charlie.
Yes, Fable to the right. Hotel Charlie, Juliet, stand 2-3. The fire trucks are behind you now.
Copy. Charlie, we are taxi to Charlie now. Charlie, Juliet, stand 2-3. Thank you. Lot 15 Alpha.
Affirm. Lot 15 Alpha, are you going to be able to taxi on your own to stand 2-3?
That is affirmative. We will taxi to stand 2-3 by our own. Thank you.
Roger, the fire truck is behind you and they will not open the cargo door until advised from you.
Thank you. Thank you very well. Lot 15 Alpha.
15 Alpha.
Lot 15 Alpha, pass your message.
Please connect stairs as soon as possible, in the front and in the back, okay? And we'll disembark passengers as soon as possible.
Roger, we're gonna organize that, the stairs to be as soon as possible with you.
Okay, thank you.
Lot 15 Alpha Tower.
Go ahead, sir.
Lot 15 Alpha, I'm informed that both stairways are on the front and back door, and also for the moment there is no visible smoke from your cargo.
Thank you very much. So people are being prepared to disembark. Thank you for information.
Mayday, 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 Shamrock 1-2 Golf, engine failure.